Right here we have a 2000 GMC Sierra 2500. Custom complaint, air conditioning, not blowing cold. Put the gauges on it, 150 pounds, low side. And both sides about 150 pounds, so we're suspecting the orifice tube stopped up. To even have a right side of pliers here with me at this second. It's kind of out in the heat. It doesn't look extreme, but it does have some in it. Maybe we got her plugged. Yep, we're gonna put a new orifice in it and see how she goes.